Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. Another set, another design in a very beautiful color, nice fabric, and again customized to client's requirement. When we say customized, why is it important? The main point here is everybody has got a different house. Your house is different from your neighbor, from your relatives, from other people you know. And it requires furniture that matches with the place. And something like this, if you see here, we have customized units as per the client's requirement. And the requirement is about the size, the design, the colors, fabrics, table, without table, side tables, all these things comes together to make a requirement, and most importantly what client likes. At Arson, what we focus on is the client choice, and that's why we call our furniture choice wala furniture. This set I've shown you earlier. We made a video around 3 years back for a similar set. Then we have done several units in the same design. Now this is customized because the three-seater here is a four-seater. The size of the room is such that the client has a long wall and he wants to cover that. Instead of putting two units, he wants one long unit. This is 9 feet out and out. Front to back 32 inches, back height of the Taj is 4 feet. Along with this, we have got two beautiful chairs, and these chairs are with double carving. I'll explain the concept and the design a little later. Along with this, we have a chaise lounge, and this is a shorter version of the longer units we have shown you earlier. This is 4.5 feet out and out, front to back 32 inches. Back height is little less than this one. It is 38 inches back high. About the chair, now you can see this chair is a little higher, 4.5 feet back height. Out and out, the chair is 34 inches, front to back 32 inches. And let's come back to the point of double carving. I'll show you the chair from the back. These are solid teak wood chairs. Now here you can see the double carving part. What really happens is when you have a sofa set that is visible from the back as well. Just like in this one, you see the four-seater is on the wall. So here in this one, the double carving has no effect because it will go on the wall and it's not visible. But the chairs, if we have visibility from that side or this side, wherever we are keeping the chairs, this double carving looks really beautiful. And I've shown you so many designs already for double carving, and this is a unique concept in hand carving. No machine or CNC or other machines can do this type of double carving because machine don't work on both the sides, and that too on these curvaceous structures. And this is the work of hand carving master artisans that we have in Aarsun. The art that we are promoting across the globe, people are loving it, getting such royal furnitures for their homes, not just India, but 55 plus countries we have already delivered to, and long list of client testimonials that you see on the website is what we have earned in all these years. These pictures that you see on the screen at the moment, these are from different clients' homes that are worldwide, and these homes are designed by top designers, the best architects, the best interior designers, and these can also give you good idea about the color, the fabric combination, how they have decorated the interiors with the flooring and the chandeliers and the carpets and drapes and wall colors, wallpapers, and these louvers. There are so many things in modern times that you get with the ceiling light and profile light, LED light. All these come together to make a theme for the living room, and we make it according to the theme. The fabric you see, again, a very beautiful fabric provided by the client themselves because they wanted some particular shade. It's a very soft and very smooth fabric, and the cushion here is 40 density with soft top layer. I'll sit on it. I'll show you how big the set is. And the other thing you notice about the set is the curvaceous handles on both sides that gives this set a different look from the regular sets. This set is different not just because of customization, but the different things we have in this one. The three-seater, in fact a four-seater is different. The chair designs are different, and the chaise we have is a different design, and together we got this complete design here. Along with this, we have a table. I'll just bring it inside. So this is the table. We have 5 feet by 3 feet open top, and the client will put a onyx on top of it. Once the onyx is placed, it's ready for use. Glass, marble, granite, onyx, and the mirrors we don't provide generally because they create issues in local transport. Outside India, we do provide because the stuff goes in a container. So generally, we don't have much issues. The set is complete here. Four-seater with two chairs, a small chaise lounge, and a table. This is the complete set, and this is going to Bangalore. Three major points I like to reiterate here. First is the choice part because we make it as per your requirement. So size, design, color, fabric, number of seats, table, without table, side tables, spec tables. You want to change something, you want a jula along with this, you want ottoman, you want open back settee, we can provide anything, and we have done so many videos already for different kind of sets, different concepts already. Second is the factory price because we are the manufacturers and we deliver it directly to your home. So there is no middleman, no trader, no commission agent, no one in the middle who takes extra charge. So you get the best price from Aarsun and it's directly delivered to your home. That is the third point. Direct home delivery in India or outside India. In 55 countries, we are already doing it. We have done it. I've shown you the long list of clients and as per your choice. So if you have any requirement, the number is right here. Please contact us. We'll be more than happy to understand your requirement and make it as per your choice and deliver at your home. Hope you like our work. If you have any questions, please contact. Thank you. Dhanyavad.